Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have the Ringke Onyx case to review for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, like I said in the opening, I have the Ringke Onyx case for the Galaxy S23 Ultra to review in this video. I need to give a shout out to Ringke for actually sending this case out to me for a review. They sent me out the black version and then also it looks like the dark green. For the purpose of the video, I'm gonna try out one of them, probably the black one on the phone, and then just show y'all the color on the green one. But like we normally do in my videos, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does everything fit? Can you wireless charge with it? And just the overall, design of the case. And does it add bulk to your phone? The normal things that you look for. But let's get into it. We all know Ringke for their packaging. Live a better day. If you don't know Ringke yet, I don't know where you're at. They make some great cases for, a lot of different phones. And I've been using them for a while now. But easy packaging from them. Trying to get into it. I love how they do it. You can reuse these packaging because I have a lot of cases, so I change them out very often. But if you want to pause that, you can definitely pause it and read it. You get your little book in here, but here is the case. I have a little branding in there, Ringke Onyx. Again, this case has like a little pattern on the side, like a little grip thing there. It says Ringke, and then the back has that same looking sandpaper, I guess. It has a texture to it, which makes you, gives you that extra grip. Same thing on this side there. I like the camera cutouts. They are precise on there. And look at that. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. All the cutouts look really good. Do you get lip protection? Yes, you get it from the top and then also the bottom there. And the case comes up to the screen pretty much close. Question asked, does it add bulk to your phone? It does not add bulk. This is like a thin case almost. But it has drop protection too. You can see on the corners there. Like I said, a little brand in there with Ringke. It does, I love the grip. It gives you extra grip. I can feel that in my hands right now. I don't want to slip. This case is not slippery, at least for me. Everything lines up at the bottom there, as you can tell. It's easy to get the pen out, pretty much. It could be easier if I had nails, maybe. Maybe I can get it out. There you go. Now, what Ringke could do is bring this down some, so that way you can get it out a little bit easier, even if you didn't have nails. But it's not hard. I mean, I'm only struggling because I don't have nails to get underneath there. But if they brought this down to the frame, it would be a little bit easier. But not bad. I mean, I think it's because I just don't have nails. You also have the microphone cut out there. The main thing I noticed about this case, y'all, is the grip. I need to really change that pen performance there. When I pull out the pen, it brings up a note. But the grip is what I'm noticing. The power button is easy to press. As you can tell there. Volume rockers are easy. Nice and tactile. I mean, Ringke makes some great cases for your phones out there. If you haven't used Ringke before, I don't know why, but definitely check them out. In this case, it's no different. Can you wireless charge? I don't think you'll have a problem. And yes, you can wireless charge without any issues there. And let's just check out a side profile of the case, the top profile, and then also this one too. So, does not add much bulk to your phone. But this is the black. Let's check out the midnight green. Or dark green. So here's the black one. So here's the midnight green. I like the green color because again it matches my phone. But I like that green one. You can pick up these cases from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, let me know which one will you pick up. Do you like the black one or do you like the green one? Let me know in the comments if you are going to pick this up or not. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, y'all, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.